easy on the wheels. DJ Daytrader, check the fields. Market open, volume rising. Beat drops when the sun's arise. I read the crowd like I read these charts. Both got rhythm, both got hard cross faders, matching bid and ask. Making moves, that's all I ask. Futures dancing on the screen, cleanest mix you've ever seen. Tempo shifting with the flow when the numbers start to show. Feel that best line in your chest, that's the market at its best. Every trader needs to know how to ride this crazy show. Your way, that's how we roll. Analyze, plan, execute the soul. DJ Booth meets trading flow on easy, gives you so much more. Mix it up, blend it right. Futures market through the night. Your way, it's what we do. Making profit, dropping truth.
Hey yo, what's cracking? What's cracking, y'all? Marqueezy, aka the DJ Daytrader. Checking in with ya. We got the double air horn. Jeez. Let me figure some of this out here. I gotta get this line in front of me. Where's my get the frame in front of me. There we go. That's a little bit better. Getting ready for that London session. It is the London Lowdown with your boy Marqueezy, aka the DJ Daytrader. Hanging out with you, watching the charts. Let's see what we can do. Let's take an overall look at the charts so far. That's my 1 hour. Let's go back here. Hit this one. Let's go 5 minutes so we can kind of see the session, how it's been panning out. Let me get rid of some of these Varus bands and all that good stuff here. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. All right. Here we go from the open. Not much movement in the market. Kind of a weird session here. Pop up here. We hit the MHP level here at 3163. We tapped into it, came down, made this lower high. Then we came down, tapped the other dynamic. I said monthly head pressure, one of the hedge pressures, and we just been kind of chopping in between this whole time, between this range. So not much movement in the market. You can see we pushed up big at the close of the New York, and then we just kind of been chopping here. We'll see if we go anywhere. Or we're just going to chop all night long and see what happens in the market tomorrow. I don't know. We just have to see what transpires then, right? Maybe look for a push-up back. Let me put my fib lines back in here. Expand a little bit. We'll get a little technical here. All right. So you guys can kind of see what we're working at. Where's my bed? I need a music bed, not just my voice. There you go. Check. Let me check if my icon things work. Let's go. That worked. Okay, and then let's see. You can see how we made this lower high, kind of double bottomed here, then stair stepping up here. Hold this next level, we're stair stepping up, and then now we'll see if we come back down. I don't know, are we gonna head back up to this hedge pressure here, or you can see we kind of, our high was here, and then our high is here, and now our high is here, one lower than here. You see, one step lower, so we might reject here and come back down, take all this out, and who knows, continue down. I don't know, it's just kind of a chop, so you gotta kind of just mitigate your risk, and whatever strategy you have, whatever theory you might have, you just gotta kind of go with that and kind of figure out for yourself what you want to do. Depends on what your strategy is. So I'm gonna just sit on my hands for now. It's something that I have problems doing with, so lots of times I just go ape, which is actually the opposite of what I usually do. Go ape is a concept I come up with. Let's see if I can find it. Here we actually stands for. Let me look for it. I mean, I had AI make a graphic for me the other night. Let's see if we can get here. Download that. And then we can download this one. We download it? Alright, download that one. And we downloaded that one before. Okay. So let's see if we can bring this up here. Let's put an image. Just call it image for image's sake. And downloads. How come I couldn't download the other two? Weird. Let's download that one. Download that one. Okay. Image. It's a little smaller. I don't know why it's so big. Here you go. You can see that. The concept, it says go ape, which stands for analyze, plan, execute. So you should always analyze the chart, figure out whatever strategy you have, plan your trade, know where your entry and your exit are, and then execute the trade and stick to whatever your plan was. So execute when you're supposed to get in, when you're supposed to get out, what levels, and stick to it. It's always so hard, especially when you lose. Like you said, it's always hard to accept a loss. Well, not for everybody, but it is hard to accept loss. So sometimes you're gonna go, oh, let me just push my stop back a little bit further, and next thing you know, you blew the account or you lost more than you wanted to because you just kept pushing your stop just a little bit more and just a little bit more, and next thing you know, what happened? That's right, you got blown out of the sky. But yeah, if you want to check out this graphic, analyze, plan, execute, review market data, identify key levels, chart patterns, and upcoming economic events. If you use that, plan, create a defined trade plan, risk tolerance, or entry trigger, stop loss, placement, and profit targets. Execute. Wait for your triggers, place your orders without hesitation, and manage the trade with discipline. And that's what we call go ape, analyze, plan, and execute. Alright, I gotta get my little logo. I don't know where my ape logo is. I want to get my ape logo and put that up there. And we have another concept. Let's see if we can pull that one up. And it goes along with it goes along with going ape. It's called being a pest. This is what we call the pest concept. And sometimes you got to be a pest, right? Pest stands for wait for the pullback. E is for entry. S is set your stop loss, and T is take your profits, right? So identify key level and let the market retrace into the level. Because I have this, I came up with this concept because I have this bad habit of when something pops up, I chase it. I don't know why. It's just stuck in my mind. I know I'm not supposed to do it. I know I'm not supposed to do a lot of things, but I do it. But anyways, I tend to like see it like drop heavy, and then I enter, and then I gotta add on the pullback, and by that time, that should have been my entry. And then if it pulls back a little bit more, I either get stopped out or I'm like so far behind that I just gotta take the loss. So I've been trying to do this a little bit better, wait for key levels and wait for areas where I think it's gonna pull back to, and wait for that. Like right here, let's see with the pen. See how we held this? Where'd that go? See how we held this level here, and then line here, line here. Here we didn't really hold this line, so, and here we didn't hold the line either. So I'm looking for a retracement maybe till either we held this line, so I'm looking for either this at 49 or halfway here, because this was a anytime we kind of hold exactly right on the line, I feel like it's a resistance or support depending which way you're going. Obviously up it's a support, down it's a resistance. So, and then if we just kind of diddle in the middle here, we don't really respect any key level here, then I feel like we could retrace all the way back here before we pop back up. So that's what it might be doing now. So if anything, I would like to take a short under. Let me put my I'm gonna take it real small, maybe like 2 mini micros, not 2 minis. 2 minis is not small at all. Oh, why I got this image up there? Anyway, yeah. So, and I always want to take an entry like right at this level, right as close as these levels, because I feel like if it, especially like say down here, let me move this down here, say down here, like I know it's holding this level here, so I want to take my entry as close to this level here and just put my stop right below it, like maybe even a couple, maybe 5 points at the most, sometimes even 2 or 3, and I try and take maybe some size on it. And like, see right here, like I would put my, this is 3032, so I put my stop like 28, something maybe 27, maybe even right under 30, like 29. And see, I wouldn't have got stopped out, and it just went because let me see. I just feel like, oh, where'd the brush go? Just because of this wick just hitting right here. See, and this is all kind of choppy too, nothing really respected. Like, see, now this wick is coming in, so it makes me feel like it's gonna hold this level and then shoot up now if it closes. But this is a 5 minute too. Sometimes you gotta, especially like me, I'm the type of person who likes to take profits quickly. And maybe because I've done a lot of evals with Take Profit Trader, where it's a trailing drawdown, so like you can't let the winners like run and come back, because I don't know if you know what a trailing drawdown is, but basically it takes your highest profit. So say if I let it run up here, like I'm coming up here and go follow this trend, I'm up $50, $100, $200, $300. So my stop loss follows here. So say if my stop loss is like on 50k account is $2,000, so I get this profit. This is like $500, so my stop loss moves up. So now instead of $2,000, I got $1,500 of stop loss, right? And this comes back halfway, that's $250 I've given back. So my stop loss is now the highest point here, $1,500, because I made $500 and I come back down $250. So now I'm closer to my stop loss by $250 instead of taking the profit. So I try and just kind of trail it right behind. Like as soon as it pops over, I got my stop loss right behind it. Pops up here, I move it right here. Pops up here, I move it right here. Pops up here, I move it right here. If it stops me out and runs, I don't care, because I need to just take that profit until I get past the trailing drawdown and get that static drawdown once you hit the buffer, which is whatever profit target you're supposed to be getting, and then you can start taking payouts from there. But it is what it is sometimes. Here we go. It's about 30 seconds till the London Open. Let's get ready for that. Let's get a big... Hope you guys are ready for that Open. We'll see if we see any fireworks or it's just gonna fizzle. Fizzle my nizzle, fizzle. Fizzle my nizzle. We'll see what it does. We get a little pop, drop, lock it, pop it. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we shall see. Where's my subscribe button here? Did I lose my subscribe button? Rocket? Man, yeah, I lost my subscribe button. I gotta put that back in now. Alright, that's 11. Oh well. It's not the Open. Why am I thinking it's the Open? Open is at 12. This is just still pre-market, but we got a little bit of price action here. A little price action pop. Let me where is my here we go. I gotta call this sub. I got my bomb. Oh, there's my sub. Never mind. We can take that out. Ooh, we got that pop though. Look at that pop. She should have known when I said it held here with the wick, and look at that. We go up. Dang it. Sometimes when you watch stuff and you talking to the chat, you wind up missing stuff, but it's all good. Trying not to be in a rush anymore of doing dumb things, so you gotta try and break the habit. You know what I mean? Break the habit. I just think not doing it again. There we go. And now, now that we had, oh boy, let's see. Let's see if we can hold this area. I'm only gonna buy, whoa. I'm on my pen. Ay, ay, ay. So we held here. So we only want to kind of hit a halfway point here, like. See how they trail it? I'm right on this butt, and if it takes me out, it takes me out. But like I said, once we hold here, I'm looking for it to hold halfway in between here, like right about here. I don't want it to break below the halfway mark. Once we establish this as a support, we want a halfway mark. We might break like maybe in 3/4 at the most, but we don't want it to break below that. So now, see like how we held right here. Now we're holding here. Now we should at least touch here. See, but how we got this wick. This is how, like, it's almost like a, what do you call it? Like a symmetrical triangle. I forget what they call it. Wedge. Like a wedge. See how we have higher, low, lower, high. So like this might be a resistance, and then we pull halfway into here, and we come back down. So this gets tricky when it's a wedge, because you don't know. See how it comes down? You don't know what it wants to do. It pulls up halfway here, pulls up halfway down there. So you don't know what this thing wants to do. It's a wedge. So never a good idea to trade a wedge, because it's like 50-50. Unless you have like other indicators or situations where you know something, right? You know something? I don't know. Maybe you know something? I don't know. Sometimes. But yeah. Let me see what I gotta add my other icons here next time. That's some crazy E-Man drops there. Let's drop that. I wonder if any of my what did these ones on no, I don't got oh yeah, they do. I don't even know how I hooked up these emoji wall for I don't know how you set up these emoji walls for the for YouTube, but it works. It works. That's what you call a professional streamer right there. All right. See, now we're in this wedge. In this wedge. Aye. So, what will it do? Who knows? I got a feeling though, like I said. I don't know where we are up here. I gotta look up here. See, right here was like resistance wick. That's what I said. So the last really one, possibly down here, it held strong. Down here, stair step. This is all chiggly wiggly, so this thing might come down to maybe like here, like it's a 49, maybe halfway here, and then catch a bounce. So I kind of want to wait till there. Like before, I'd be trying to. I mean, I could short here as well if we break certain areas, but I don't know. I'm not in a rush tonight with the volume and price action and all that good stuff. So let me push this up here. We forget to change it from the pen to. All right, we got 1 hour chart here. 1 hour chart. You can see it's like a monthly map I have here. But then I just fib out the monthly map and you can see we tapped right into this breaker block, rejected, boom, all the way back down to this block down here. Let me take out the fib. Oh, we did break the whole breaker bar, way past the breaker bar. Then we kind of came back up. Tested this breaker block, kind of failed it, held support, then pushed all the way up. Then we're like one step lower than the breaker block. Boom, retrace all the way back. And then we come back down. Then we get like halfway down to this breaker block. And we push back up, equal high here. And then we come all the way back down. And here, I don't see anything here to support. This kind of came up. Oh yeah, I don't know if we can see that support here. This support right here, this was resistance. That same line, this is hourly, so it's not as exact. So then we get this big huge candle up, pull back down. We might pop back up now, who knows. I'm just showing you some of the other things I look at, our chart as well. So just trying to find out where the big resistances are. And now we did break this support here, so this is the tricky part. Okay. This is when you get to know too much. So you break support here, so you figure this is no longer support, so we should come back down, which we might. But at the same time, if you think about sweeping liquidity, so you think, okay, we come up, we come back down, we sweep this liquidity here, we grab all these longs, everybody who's long from here, boom, we take them out here, and then we come up without them. Because everyone's put their stop here, so we take out the stop, and then we go. That's a sweep of liquidity, which you could be doing right now, because it's kind of a big candle here. Yeah, look at that now. So sometimes it's just not like a breach of support. Sometimes it's a sweep of liquidity, and I think that's why back in the day you figure, oh, it broke support, now it should go down, and that's what you call a fake out breakout or fake down breakdown. So you think like, oh, it broke it should be going down, and shoot, we come right back up. Fake down breakdown. all right. Let's see. I need some kind of thing to block over here. See, still in that Steve Urkel wedgie right there. So let me put my Varus. We got the Varus bands on too as well. Been messing with the Varus bands, but like. Kind of just sitting right on the Varus bands. You can see like two. Let me take away my fib lines. Check out the bands. You know what I mean? Look at these bands. They're kind of like. They kind of started like sloping down. Then you see like almost like straight. So flat, not going nowhere, no direction. As if you look back here. It just follows price action, right? Yeah, so there's a VWAP right here at 30.034. So just kind of not really doing much. Yeah. See how I can make my stream a little bit more pretty. I need like something over here. Like I don't know if I will make it to London Open, but if I don't, I don't. Where's my phone? Let me see if I can hear myself on the stream to make sure it's not all crazy sounding. Make sure it's not all crazy sounding like. Check it out. Mic even working? Some kind of delay? Make sure it's not all crazy. Alright, it works. Oh boy, here's a breakup. Fib lines back in. These are the DD bands here. Hedge pressure. DD bands all the way up here at 3364. And I got all these like bands in between. It's like break down to eighths, 16ths, half. So get rid of some of them. I just put them in between because like the distance between like these eighth of a band of a risk interval is already like what is 33 points. So sometimes I like to break them in half and get that 16 points and just kind of take that. See, so never no. Let's get that. Let me just for stream's sake, I'll make these numbers a little bit bigger, and there you go. Now we're breaking above our next see, we held here. Now according to my calculation, we should hold about halfway through this, so like 08-ish. I don't want to see it on the bottom of this area, although it might come down for me just to make me a liar. What is this? 03. I kind of want to hold 03. There we go. So we're gonna pop back up and give me a. Don't double top me there. See, I'm gonna come up. Come on. Okay, we're following closely. See me chasing it. Might be too close. Yeah, it took me out, but probably get like $30 or $50, like dumb $20, but I shouldn't. It's an eval, so I should let it run. See, now it's probably gonna go up here to 32, I bet. Let's see, 15. Should hold this time. Shouldn't come back down. Alright, let's see if we get the pop. Come on, I kind of want to... No! Don't do it. It's going to pop, I got a feeling. I'm going to stop right under 13. Oh, there we go. Come on, push up. Those are so... I think it's like so much more points than it is, but it's not. Do not drop below 15 before it closes. I'm going to stop at 13, risking like 6 points. Is that $100? Don't make a fool out of me now. Come on. Let's get up to like the 20 somethings. Come on. Every time I try and hold, this is why. Every time I try and hold, I get stopped out. So, trying to not do that no more. Set my stop and just let it go. Nope. Look, we got to push back down now. 32. Come on. Let's see a push up into. Ugh. I don't like that 20 area. 20 area is always kind of sketchy. I'm gonna put my... Don't come back and... why'd you come back and hit me? Now you're gonna run. I should accept my risk and just take like a... If I take a $100 loss, it's a $100 loss. Look, and it's gonna come all the way up to 32. It's be like 20 points. Could have made like $200, but I'd be like a dumb butt. I mean, just took like 2. I'll just put 2 here. We pull back, I'm gonna add 2 more. Just because I'm scared here. 23. Let's see if we get down into like 18. I'm gonna add 2. Watching the time and sales here. 21. Yeah, look at that pop. Come on. You never know. This could just dump back down, but I'm trying to prove a point that I can kind of hold a trade. Small size at least. Let's go. Push up, push up, push up. Yeah, come on, we should at least hit like these 32. Should get a shoot up here. watching this area here. My hands off. Comes back and stops me out like a fool, then so be it. It's not that much. 10 points. 2 micros, like $40. But this is my new Lucid. Oh, this is a 50K, huh? It's a 50K. I thought it was a. Let's see where it comes down here. Push up. Let's get up into like 32s. 8 points. It ain't that much, like $50-$60. But we're just trying to just hold the trades now. Trying to train myself. Let's see. There we go. Push up. It's only like $6. Jeez Louise. Talk about little size. Ye of little size. Where could we? Where's the next area here? Right up here in like the 35s, maybe. Want to see that 33. At least to this next bar at 32.16 ish. I'm not even gonna trail it. I'm just gonna hit the freaking X when we get up there to the 30s. Come on, 30s. Let's just go. Next grind level, yeah, 35. Then next wick above that is like in the 50s. So look at this pushback. Look at that. You gonna stop me out now? Wicked person. 21s. Let's see if we go 21. Or we're gonna come all the way back down. Try to stop my butt out. We're gonna go 13. 50. Oh, look at that pop back up. Jeez. Should have bought 10 here. I was thinking about buying 8. I had 8 in the trigger that I was gonna take. That's the thing. I take small, and then when it pulls back, like almost to right here, I wanna just add in big, like so I average up, and then so I have 10 minis, and then it would pop back up, and then I'm holding 10, so that's a big move there, and then from there, I would have got, good 10 points on 10 minis and micros, and then if it stopped me out, at least the 10 is only moving like a few points against me. Pull back against me. That's alright. That's alright. That's a little money. Even though we're just trying to get our head right. Drop that money. Alright. This is a short session tonight. I gotta get up early tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna try to get up early and trade the morning session. Then I gotta go out to run some errands tomorrow early, so won't have to go do that. Let me see if I can find something. Find some kind of sign over here. Let me see if I got anything else I can put here. Image. I got my little logo here. What kind of logos I got? View on large icons. No, I need my horizontal logo. I mean, I could pick this one here. And let's see. Hold on. I could squash it here. that off. And then filter color correct it. So and these, there we go. Brightness, Q shift. None of that does nothing, huh? Contrast. So maybe if we just pull that over here. It's in the middle here. Let me just I'm coming back down now. Hey, Czar Trader. What's going on, Czar? What's up? I'll give you a big... Where you checking in from today, man? Or woman? I don't want to get it wrong. Kind of pulling back off of this level here. But you can see we have this support here at 31.15. So we'll see if it's 2 candle pullback and pop back up, or if we're just gonna break here and try and shoot back down. So I guess when they say like you gotta be wrong from the right place, that's what Rocket Scooter, Matt, all of them say. So that's kind of like what I've always been trained, kind of right, I call it right in, right out. So RIRO, right in, take the trade, doesn't work right here, right out. But you can see the wicks here, boom. So if I took it on the pullback here, 16, my stop's like 14, 2 points, 3 points maybe. So I can size in big, like, a couple minis, or hey, waking up for London Open. Appreciate that, man. South Africa. Wow. How is it in South Africa? I've never been. I heard it's kind of like a thriving. Like most times, I don't want to be like presumptuous, but most times when we see stuff about Africa, it's always like third world country stuff. But I've heard like, is it South Africa that's like big, like major city, all kinds of things going on. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, in fact. But yeah, I'm just chilling. Gotta give you a big... Originally from Hawaii, so you get that chihu. It's great for nomading. Kind of just traveling around. Is that what you do? Just kind of travel from place to place. I don't trade London Open a lot, but I might be auditioning for this position where it would be trading London. So London pre-market's like, ooh, what was that? Somebody followed. Mahalo for the follow, big. Whoever followed me on Kick, appreciate the follow. Let me know if you have any questions about futures. Futures or any kind of, what do you trade? In fact, Czar Trader, stocks, options, futures. Is that the same print? Is that the same thing just going over and over, the subscription thing? Hopefully it's not a glitch. See, now we're kind of breaking back down, so we're getting this pullback. Is that the same person? I don't know, I can't see it. But yeah. I got all these people subscribing. I wonder if it's just like bots or what, or is it like actual real freaking people? Look at all these follows. Am I getting like freaking botted or something? Mama for the follow, whoever it is. Stick with Asia. They've been. I don't get it. There's all these people subscribing on Kick. Stick with Asia. They've been killing it recently. Trade only 2 futures, FDAX, and that's what I'm trading, M and Q. I don't know, is the same person subscribing, or I don't know what there's going on in this thing. Get my subscribers up. If it's bot, I don't care. Subscribe to me. I need bot friends. Yeah, Asia session's been good. Look at this. Let me take some of these lines off. Sometimes it's too much for the eyes. I'm getting good movement. This is the entire session right here from Globex. Hey. It's kind of been on this little downtrend, held here at our level. It kind of popped up, trying to test this top level, but just kind of ranging in between here. Not really ranging, kind of range a V, like down, then we're up. But yeah, how do you trade futures? Using prop firms, or are you just trading like Ninja Trader, or this is too small for me to see. I gotta put my lines back in, my bands back in, and then yeah, I'm gonna go from there. Keep switching to the pen. So look at that. Bang. Let's see if London have any action. I gotta wake up early though, so right now it's 11:30 when I'm at PM, and then I gotta wake up at 6 PM for New York Open, so kinda crazy. But yeah, if you haven't done it yet, be sure to subscribe to that channel. Hit the like, hit the notifications. Definitely helps us out. And notifications, so anytime I jump online, you'll be notified and let you know to come in and join the party, right? Mainly personals on amp. Dang, that's nice. So like, are you a big money trader? Like, you making bazillions and bazillions of dollars every year, or what's going on? Personal accounts are dope. I hope to. I got a personal account. I don't really trade it. I want to kind of use future prop firms to. I don't know if prop firms are available for you, first of all, so I gotta say that. But I'm trying to use prop firms to get some payouts first, and then fund my personal with that. So that's the route I'm going. But yeah, amp future's awesome. Let's see. I was gonna do something. Now I don't know what I was gonna do. I was looking for something here on my dashboard, but now I entirely forgot what I was gonna do. Oh, I know. I know what I was gonna do. Trying to look at my air horn. I don't know why that's on a loop. It keeps like looping. Properties. I don't want it to loop. I guess. I think when I hit it one time, it wouldn't come back on. Kind of held our band here, Varus band, so. Little action coming down. I feel like I need something up here. Like I feel my stream's missing something. Maybe I need more. I don't know what I need more of. Goal is to make a zillion. That's what I'm saying. Make that. Drop that money. Make it rain. It's all good. That's the kind of energy and vibes we need. We need those vibes. We need them vibes. Positive vibes. Positive. Right? Positive. Where's the vibes? We got vibes? Or we got eyes? What eyes? Weird. Oh, there's the eyes. You wanna throw some emojis in my chat? Hearts. You just hit those emojis that pop up on the screen. I'm gonna find another music bed, but you looking for any kind of trades at the open? What kind of strategy do you trade? Are you looking for any kind of? You looking for a long, a short, or you just waiting for price action to hit at the open, the volatility, and see where that goes? Or what's your plan? What's your plan, Daytrader? Let me know. Kind of bouncing off our band again. Kind of getting this, like every time it wants to drop, we get kind of this U shape like this. U shape. And then we're creating this lower high. But we also get this higher low. So we got that wedge again. So we're wedging. So it's hard to pick in the wedge which way it'll go. Lower high, higher low. Higher highs, wedge that way. So I'm not sure. I'm not going to trade it till I get a direction or some kind of volatility where we pop up, get a pullback into support, and then go up. That's our concept right here. It is. Waiting to see what the day like for a session. I mainly trade orb with VWAP. Okay, orb opening range 15 minute, or like you wait for it's that way. In 15-minute orb, you wait 15 minutes. I know, like a. There's also like initial balance, right, is the first hour of the session. So I don't know if you ever trade initial balance. Usually on New York it works that, but let me what platform you use also. Let me go here and let me go to initial balance. My initial balance indicator here. Is that the one? Showing anything? So if we get the initial balance here from when is start? 18 to 19. So like when the Globex opens at 3 p my time. So for an hour, so if we go to 3 till 4. Oh, there's some volatility going down. It's going down, down, down. Okay, so if we look at here, pull back here, the first hour of trading, we can see the range here. How come I don't have? How come it's not lit up? How come it's not filled in? It's shaded. Might be fill color. That's so weird. Oh well. First hour, 8 till 9 here. So this is the high, first hour. Here's the low. And you can see, let me take away all that. We hit this pivot right here, almost to the T. Let me move my edge pressure lines, but you can see we hit this ring. 15-minute ARB for London. I trade on AT. Okay, gotcha. So you can see, like, from the Globex open here, this is our range, initial balance. Then we moved one interval down here. Then we popped back up. We tested the bottom of the initial balance, kind of chopped around here, and then boom, we hit the middle. Then we kind of just chopped around the middle. Now I'm just sitting on the middle of the price action for the initial balance right here, right in the middle line of the open. So I'm just sitting right in the middle. But you can also use this initial balance indicator to, I don't know what. I don't know if ATAS, a task or whatever you call it. I don't know if they have certain indicators or its own platform, or use TradingView for charting. I'm not sure, but this is like an initial balance. But you can also set the time, so you can also use it as like a orb, 15-minute orb, because you can set the time for, like, this is like the first hour. I could set it for the first 15 minutes. And it will do the same. Why is it 18 to 14? That's why it's messed up and not showing nothing. That could be it. There we go. Yay. Much better. Now you can see it. Here's our orb. First hour of trading here. You could do this for 15 minutes also. Kind of hit the orb here at the bottom. Come up. Chop around the middle. Boom, come all the way down, and we almost hit our first this is a halfway mark. And then we come all the way down. We almost touch our full one risk interval. We come back up. We test the bottom of the range, initial balance. Kind of chop around again. Then we hit the middle. Then we're chopping around, and we're just sitting in the middle again, right in the middle of the initial balance, which is like a hour orb, basically 1 hour, 60-minute orb. The same thing, same difference, different strategies. I like to trade off some of these bands. So like, I forgot to put my lines back in. Bad. You can see like we hit the bottom of this band and we take a bounce. We hold the band here, then we trade it to the next band up. It's very choppy, so that's why I use my fib lines to kind of support. You can see how these work better for support. Kind of stair step up. You see like how we hold here, then we hold the next level up, then we hold the next level up, we hold the next level up. Ay. But then we kind of came back down, swept this level, then we held this like a double bottom, then we held here again, held here, and same thing, we come back here, double bottom here, push up, then we kind of hold here, just kind of stair step up, right? Keep stair stepping up, hold here, hold the next level, kind of top out here, then we double bottom here, push up, hold this level, top out here, and now we kind of coming back down, kind of stair stepping down like top, then this is resistance now. Trying to see if this will break below here and this will be resistance. This is a 30099. That's the previous that's the day's close. So kind of just sitting right there again. Just came all the way down, and then before London Open, we just get this sitting right in the middle, like right on the previous day close. So basically closed here. New York session closed here, and then we just been kind of like chopping up and down, up and over, and then we just, for London, we just sitting in the middle again. So I don't know. We'll see what price action has to bring to us. But I definitely gotta bug out because I gotta be up in 6 hours. So wondering if I should just wait for the London Open and see. But then I'll stay a little longer, and then I'll stay a little longer, and 5 minutes will turn to 15, 15 to 20. And you know how that goes. But oh, I know what I can do. See if they can do that for me. I don't like this spinning one. That's why the spinning one's kind of gross. Big and bulky. Oh boy, jeez. I bet you this thing is not gonna save as a. Let's see. Image. Did I save this? No, see. Why does it like... I want this thing to be transparent. I wonder if I can make it transparent though. Let's see. Sorry, I don't know if someone's talking to me. Ah, no. Let's see. Can I do some kind of channel? Alpha channel this? Filter or something? Filter. Let's see what kind of... Chroma key. Chroma? Something? I don't know. Nope. Definitely not that. Yes. 10 minutes to the London Open. Color key? No. What is it called? Luma? Nope, it won't do it. Alright. Well, let me see. Gemini AI, how to make a logo transparent background. Yeah, I can't really figure it out. That ID check can remove the... How do you do that though? How can I let I do that? Ah, I see. Can you make this with a green background? Then I can chroma key it, I'm assuming. You can do it. You can do it all night. Oh, there you go. Ah, make sure that though. Alright, so if we can hit there, property, do the green one? No. And then we filter, delete that. Yes. 7 minutes. Probably gotta add more color. Do with color correction there. No. No. I might get brighter there. Kind of like that. I kind of like it. Can't really shift it there though. Look at my logo over here. Look how it looks on stream. That's what I can do with my logo. I'm gonna brighten up my logo too a little bit. 6 minutes to London Open. A minute to watch out at. There's opacity though. Try and break this. No. Saturation, give it a little pop. Opacity maybe? We'll keep it like that. It's kind of choppy, just sitting on the previous day's close at 30,099, 30,099. So gotta see what happens here. Oh, move that. Yeah, I know what I can do. Let's see. I can put this back here by me. I like that by me. Gives me a little flavor block, and then where's this thing? Make this block a little bit bigger. Then color source. Move that just over, block our kinda. I don't know. Just getting everything situated now. Alright, 3 minutes to the open, so guess I'll just trade the open and see. I ain't gonna trade it big though. Who knows what's gonna happen here? Maybe we'll get a shoot up to hedge pressure here at 3163. We tapped it before. That was right at the open and rejected. So who knows? We may do it again. Oh, why am I trying this squiggly line? We'll see what happens, right, guys? What are these called? Let's see. London. No. The kick alert? Must be the kick alert. How did I hook up the other one to it though? Yeah. 2 minutes. So that means I gotta make a kick alert too. In case. So why is it like why is it this does it work? So it's on the side here for now. So if I hit all these, it's still freaking going. It's not that kick one then. No, it's not the kick alerts. Oh, it's about to open here. I gotta find out what it is. It's like a. Here we go. Open. Open, 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 open. Let's go. Let's see if we push up here. Little price action. Pushing up here a little bit. Okay, now what is I looking at? Oh, it's the awesome. I know what to change. How did I get that awesome? Is it alert box or awesome? Emote explosion, I think. Yeah, it's the emote explosion. Alright, here we go. I don't know, we're still in this chop, and we're still in this wedge, and we're still in this chop. So hopefully we break out in some momentum, and then we can kind of get a pullback. But I guess this ain't New York, New York. It's not New York, New York. New York, New York, New York, New York. I wonder if I got this one's too much too. Oh.
Got double.
Check 2. Hey. What's up? Let's go. Echo. Alright. All this crazy action. I think it's time for me to retire for the evening. I gotta go to bed. You guys have a great one. Your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. I'm leaving my demo real soon, so hopefully something will come out of it. Till then, you guys have a great one. Peace, love, aloha, throw up them shakas, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Mark easy on the wheels, DJ Daytrader check the fields. Market open, volume rising, beat drops when the suns arise. I read the crowd like I read these charts. Both got rhythm, both got hard cross faders, matching bid and ask, making moves, that's all I ask. Futures dancing on the screen, cleanest mix you've ever seen. Tempo shifting with the flow when the numbers start to show. Feel that best line in your chest, that's the market at its best. Every trader needs to know how to ride this crazy show. Your way, that's how we roll.